Hi, welcome to IT TV. Today we're going to have a look at management reporting. It can be difficult to manage what you can't see, especially if you've got a large organisation with lots of projects running and operations to keep an eye on too. We're going to have a look at a product called Execview, which will help you leverage the power of information to make right decisions at the right time. So let's have a look at a typical management reporting day. We all have a variety of people working for us in a variety of roles, and unsurprisingly they use a selection of different tools. So when it comes to reporting, they provide us with information in all sorts of formats. And it's not just internally, we've got our outsourcers and our partners to think of as well. And of course they provide us with information in the format that they feel it is best for us to consume it in. The end result is we end up with a whole stack of information, and then our Outlook diary fills up with appointments for review meetings and ongoing progress reports. It can be very difficult to make sense of all the information, and quite often by the time we get it, it can be out of date. The problem is, we really do need information from a lot of different sources in order to make correct management decisions. You're often going to find out that the information is in different silos with proprietary reporting systems. So when you do eventually get it all together, you end up with a 40 or 50 page management report that needs further interpretation. So wouldn't it be great if we could lose all of these individual reporting regimes and bring everything together in an automated fashion? Well, that's exactly what Execview does. It brings together data and aggregates it in a format that's appropriate to your job role. So if you just need a high-level view of information, you can have that. If you need something in a little more detail, you can have that too. Here we're showing it on an iPad, but it's available from any standard browser. The system comes preloaded with over 50 different management reports and scorecards. So if you're in a CIO role, you can see what you need to see. If you want it in a slightly different flavour, that's not a problem because everything's tailorable. If you have a different role, of course you'll want different information. So here we have an ICT performance scorecard, looking at metrics like capacity and risk, as well as planned changes. Again, if you're a service desk manager, you'll want your own metrics. So here we have a variety of KPIs based upon our incoming calls. But you could have any information you chose that you felt would enable you to make better decisions in your management role. If you're more interested in projects, the system collects data from project management tools and other sources too, so you can easily identify activities and progress at the click of a button. Execview automatically gathers information from multiple silos. In fact, one client uses 70 different data feeds to produce its management reporting. So you can really have whatever you need for your role. So what areas are covered? We're just talking about management reporting in this presentation, but the Execview product takes you right from strategic mapping of projects through portfolio and service governance, right through to operations and managing your outsourcers and partners. This type of solution can be up and running very rapidly because you don't have to purchase any hardware or software. Effectively, it's a rental based upon whatever you use. It can even be purchased through the Sprint 2 buying framework if that's appropriate. The tool has been developed based upon a wide range of industry and government standards for reporting, so if you need a case study that fits your environment, that won't be a problem. Automating your reporting in this manner will free up huge amounts of resource, saving vast quantities of money, but perhaps more importantly, the data that you're looking at will be up to date, meaning management decisions that are critical to the whole organisation are based upon quality information, leaving your team to be spending their time where they should be. So if you'd like further information, please contact us at ITTV and we'll let you know what your peer group are already doing and arrange a full demonstration of Execview. Here are just a few clients who use Execview to manage their projects and performance to improve their operations. That was a very quick overview. We'd be delighted to speak to you in further detail. Execview is supplied by Managed Service Solutions, experts in the delivery of this type of offering. I've been Martin McKenna at IT 500. Thank you for your time today.